Probably this is a very important moment in our history because we have tools that we never had before. I mean, we have the possibility to use online communication as we are doing now, and this could be a way to scale permaculture and to make it available for everybody, really for 7 billion of people. We can do now. And also we could find a way to monetize some of the services we could provide through internet to reinvest these resources to restore ecosystems.
Absolutely. And I think that there's a quality of life part to this as well. One of my big challenges early on was that I had a health crisis, and I was doing a lot of outward activist work. I was traveling around the world and doing a lot of civil organizing and things like that. And when I got sick, I could not do that anymore. And I had a big burnout experience, and I've had a couple burnouts over the last 20 years. And one of the ways that I've been using online tools nowadays is that I'm teaching some online courses. And these online courses, one of the benefits is that I can reach people all over the planet, just like how you and I are connecting right now. You're in Italy, I'm in California. We're thousands of miles apart, but we're connected. And so I teach these online courses, and we're working with people all over the planet. Well, one of the beautiful aspects of that is that nobody's traveling anywhere. We're not using airplanes and cars and all that kind of stuff. We are using the energy of the internet, which is significant. Hopefully we've got solar and other ways to support that. But since I've been working, doing my online programming, I've really been able to be closer to home. I've in my children's lives every day. I see them when they come home from school. I'm in my homestead. I'm growing my food. I'm able to combine having a good quality of life with my family, with my homestead, growing my food. I'm not driving that much, but I can still educate and inspire and connect with people all over the world. So you're right that the time has changed, and this is an important moment for how we scale this work.